guys, it's Sunday, April 12th, 2026, and the final day for me to reach $600 for the week. As it stands right now, I need $70.33, I believe it is. I should be able to knock that out. It is 11:50 a.m. and I just turned on the apps. I got gas and turned on the apps. So we're waiting for offers, and offers are already coming in on Spark. I wanted to get out way earlier today, but my goddamn Dalmatian, Dutton, he leveled up his game. You know how convicts, when they start with petty crimes and they gradually move up? That's my dog. That's Dutton. He essentially went from just escaping and running in the neighborhood for half an hour to petty theft. He was only gone for 10 minutes this morning when I put him out. He slipped out and he comes waltzing down the alley back into the inside the fence with another dog's bone. Don't know where he got it. I made him come in the house. He brought the bone in. And here's a picture of him gnawing on that bone. But I keep on trying to reinforce this corner of my fence. Boards, blocks, everything. He's been managing to remove the obstacles and get out. So I keep adding more to it. And it is failing. In that part of the fence, the chain link is extremely loose. Well, Mama ain't playing. Mama ordered this on Amazon. It arrives tomorrow. Now, he's going to have two fences to try to get through. One of them is very stiff, hard steel, going to be pounded in the ground. Okay, Dutton, it's game on. And already I declined my first order. My acceptance rate is now 31%. $7.50 to pick up at Eaton Park. That there's always a wait time there. There never, ever, I shouldn't say never. Very rarely is the order ready when you go and pick it up. For 7.1 miles, are you fucking kidding me? That's $1 per mile. I ain't desperate today. I ain't taking shit like that. But as soon as I get to a place that I can park, I'm going to start scrolling and checking out the Walmart orders. I'll be back at you in a minute. Here's an example of an order that I refused, that I declined. Why? It doesn't meet my minimum standards. The mileage is great. $1 per mile is great. But the time it would take for me to go pick up that order and deliver it is worth a lot more than $5. This order wasn't even $5. Or Spark comes shining through. Check this order out. $20.97 or 47 cents, something, I don't know. But it's $20 and some change. 9 miles. That's over $2 per mile and only 4 items. 3 of them are small grocery items. 1 of them is a toilet seat. I should have this shopped rather quickly. As they say, estimated should take about 15 minutes to shop. Yeah, that's about right. So let's go in and get this shopping done. Literally took less than 10 minutes. Train! Got my next Spark order. Nothing on DoorDash today so far. And I'll put the offer card up here somewhere. After I pick up this order and get it delivered, there's 3 drops. I will be $14.77 away from my goal. But I'm not stopping there. I'm not stopping when I hit my goal. I'm going to keep on going just to see how high I can rack the day and rack up my weekly total. Order 1, order 2, and order 3. All small orders. Hallelujah. Got yet another Walmart order. Today's Walmart day. Again, I'm finding myself more and more just Walmart. Hey, you do what you got to do. You do the app that brings you the most money. Currently, it's Walmart Spark. I make more money on there than I do DoorDash every day of the week. See that guy in front of me? Oh, he's having some issues. Ten-minute shop. Let's check out and get this delivered. I just had to close my sunroof. Weatherman says 3% chance of rain. What was I feeling on my arm? Sprinkles, a couple raindrops. Weatherman. That is the one profession that you could be wrong 100% of the time and get paid big bucks and keep your job. I'm in the wrong profession. I got this next offer, and guess what this one does? It puts me over my $600 goal. Am I gonna stop at this one? No. I'm gonna continue on until 5 p.m. Then I'm calling it a day, making it an easy Sunday, not worrying about dinner rush, because I'm already $90+ after this run. It's like $90 and some odd cents or something like that. So I'm going to keep the wheels moving. And right now it is 3:48 p.m. I can't pick up this order until 4 p.m. So as I'm sitting here waiting for my pickup time so that I can start trip, I just looked. One order has 7 items. Another order only has 7 items. The biggest order has 19. So very manageable, especially for the money and the mileage. So I think I've got 1 minute left. Maybe I could check in now. There's mine. There's no drop-off footage for that one. The customer did come out with a cart to load up their groceries. So couldn't record that one. And now I've got 20 minutes left. It's 20 minutes till 5. I'm kind of wondering if I should just skip any more Walmart and just log into DoorDash for that time. Okay, we've got 5 minutes. DoorDash has 5 minutes to come up with something decent. I probably declined several in a row. I kept saying at 30%, 30%, 30%. Guess what? I crossed the threshold. I'm at 29% acceptance rate. It's all garbage. Especially when I know what I can make on Spark. So this was either going to be end of shift or I was going to pick up a DoorDash order. I didn't want to get into another shopping or multi-trip on Spark because this is going to be the end of the day because I'm going to go in to the store and grab a couple things for myself. But I'm just kind of biding my time waiting. I don't have to take any more orders. I just thought, make it easy. Now it's 4:50. Another one. At this point, I went home because all garbage orders and decided to cook me something to eat. A little bit of bacon ranch salad and grilled myself a steak on my George Foreman, but it was a little bit overdone. It was well instead of medium well, but that's quite okay. It was still delicious, and I shared with the pups also. Okay, it's time to go over the numbers. We are going to start with what happened on Sunday, and then I will go into what transpired for the entire week, all of my totals. So, yesterday was 100% Spark, $90.31, which is also my grand total. That put me over the $600 minimum by $19 and some change. I worked 4.7 hours yesterday, or today. Well, I'm editing this the next day. My hourly rate wasn't something to write home about, but it's acceptable at $19.23. I drove 52.6 miles at $1.72 per mile. So, not too bad, but wait till you see my week. I was kind of surprised at my totals and the way my week turned out. And and I am not going to complain about it. So during this challenge on DoorDash, I made $131.76. On Spark, I made $354.05, and on Instacart, $133.70 for a grand total of $619.51. So here's where I'm going to correct myself. That put me over my total by $19.51 as in over my goal. I'm really happy about that. The surprising thing is that DoorDash fell in last place this past week as far as what platform I earned the most money on. And to no surprise, Spark is the winner by a landslide. Now, keep in mind, I made this money working part-time hours. Yes, part-time. I only worked 29 hours. My hourly rate for the week averaged out to be $21.33. I'm speechless. I really am. And I drove 345.7 miles this week at $1.79 per mile. That is above my minimum that I like to see. You know, I strive for $1.50 per mile or higher. I definitely made that mark. So, very productive week. So it does go to show, especially with multi-apping, you can make $600 in a week working part-time hours. Imagine if I would have worked a full 40-hour week. If you've made it this far in the video, drop a comment below if you would like me to do a video of working a 40-hour week and seeing what kind of money can be made. All right, that kind of concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video, enjoyed the whole series, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button on your way out. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I am striving for 1,000 subscribers here. Hoping to get to the next level of monetization on YouTube. And all your support, I am truly, truly grateful for from the bottom of my heart. I love each and every one of you. And I wish you a blessed day and a blessed week ahead.